Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fill option form for 11th standard admission for the year 2020. This is the homepage of website. Here you need to enter login ID and password and click on this login button. Once you're logged in, you will see this dashboard with the status of your application form part 1 and the status of your option form part 2. This option form is divided into 4 sections: registration details, shortlist options, set priority and lock application form. On registration details page, you will see your 10th standard examination details which you have provided in application form part 1. Then in stream section, you need to select one stream out of these 4 streams in which you want to take admission, and then select your preferable medium and then click on save and next. On this page, you can search and shortlist the colleges of your choice. The stream and medium field will display automatically as per your selection on the previous page. Here you need to select your preferable status of college. Then select your preferable college type and then the bifocal subject. The list of bifocal subject will appear as per your stream selection, and then select your preferable zone and area. The list of area will appear as per your zone selection. You can also search for particular college by entering college unique code in this text box. Once you fill your preferences, click on search junior college button. And the list of colleges will appear as per your search criteria. From this list, you can shortlist the colleges of your choice. For that, you need to click on this check box in front of the college you want. Once you select the colleges of your choice, click on Add Selected Junior Colleges button. And then the list of your shortlisted colleges will appear. Here, if you want, you can remove any college from your shortlisted list. For that, you need to click on this check box in front of that particular college and then click on this delete selected junior college. If you're okay with this list, you can click on save and next. On this page, the list of your shortlisted colleges will appear, where you need to give preferences to the colleges by clicking on this check box one by one. You can set preferences to 10 junior colleges. Check these preferences once again. You can also reset it by clicking on this reset preferences button and set again. After setting all your preferences, click on save and next. Here you will be able to see the summary of your option form. If you are okay with this list, you can click on this declaration button and lock the form. If you want to make any changes in this list, you can go back to that menu and make the necessary changes. If you are okay with it, click on this declaration button and lock option form. Once you lock the option form, you won't be able to modify, change or alter the option form. So if you are okay with it, click on confirm. You can also take the printout of this option form by clicking on this print option form button. Now if you go back to the dashboard, the status of your option form part 2 will be locked. Now that's all for the option form filling. Thank you.